Hello guys, that's a dub for you my subscribers, or can I be calling you subbies? Yeah guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a channel where we cook and bake simple recipes using simple ingredients. Yeah guys, you're back with a bang, you're back with a gang, you're back with like never before guys. Yeah guys, please stay tuned for more cooking videos, for more ingredients guys, and let's go to the kitchen guys. Guess what guys, today I'm going to be taking you all the way to China. Yes! Yeah guys, Chinese recipe today, and you're going to be cooking Chinese Manchurian, chicken Manchurian. Yeah guys, and this recipe, it is very easy guys. Please try at your home guys. If the word is long, but it is very easy. Chinese imani. Yeah guys, please stay tuned guys, and I'm going to be showing you all the ingredients guys. It is very delicious. When you go to a Chinese restaurant guys, please go order for this Chinese food. It is very delicious. Chinese Manchurian, chicken Manchurian guys. Yeah guys, let's go to the kitchen guys. Introducing our simple ingredients guys. Guys, we are here with our delicious chicken Manchurian. Look at it guys. Hope you can see it. Yeah guys, hope that you saw that recipe was very easy. And guys, for me, I take it as a snack before I take my supper. But you can serve it with salad, with gima, ugali. Yeah guys, please stay tuned and let me taste guys. What else can you need guys if it is not chicken Manchurian? So sweet guys. Please stay tuned for more and more videos, simple videos, and simple ingredients guys, and also simple recipes guys. Thank you all for your support. Please subscribe, like, and share guys. Bye guys.